Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. So I have here in front of me what I believe to be the new jewelry subscription from Bolzano Handbags. So I've opened up their subscription several times that has both a handbag as well as 2 to 3 accessories, and their jewelry has been great in there. And I've also opened their purse companions, which is beauty products to go with your purse. And now they have a jewelry only subscription. So this is brand new. I do not know what is in this bag. It's clearly unopened. So I will leave all of the information down below along with the link if you're interested. If you subscribe to any of their subscriptions, I do have a promo code that'll get you a free gift. I don't get anything from it, but you guys get a $45 value gift. I've heard it's been clutches, a few of you guys have said, and they've really enjoyed it, so I'm glad. But yeah, all the information will be down below, along with a link to my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. If you guys have not yet entered, that ends July 7th, I believe, so definitely check that out. Anyways, let's get unboxing and see what this new Bolzano jewelry subscription is all about. So when I take it out of the bag, this is what I see. It looks like it is in one of their duster bags. So this is what their purses come into. This is nice for storage, or you can use it like as a tote bag, whatever you really want to do. And there's some paperwork on here, so let's see what it says. It looks like they have some promos going on, like you can get a free watch or like a free cleansing brush. I don't know. I'll leave any information down below about current promotions. And then there's a thing that says about the designer or the brand, and it talks about, oh, awesome. It talks about the founder and her story. She said born in South Florida. I did know that. We've talked about that before. She's on the other coast though, like the East Coast. I'm on the West Coast, like so the Gulf side. So I'm really excited to read this. It's pretty long and you can see a picture. She's beautiful. So I will read that later. Super excited about that. That's new. And here we have the actual goodies. Let's get this out. So it's very well packaged. So it gets here, well, so there's some bubble wrap, and then it is wrapped up in some tissue. Oh my god, look how cute this is wrapped. This is adorable. This would be such a great gift, right? Or it's just fun to open it yourself. I clearly love opening things, and I open a lot of things, and they're not always this cute when they come, so let's see. Looks like there's a watch in here. I've just recently gotten into watches. I'm actually gonna have an upcoming watch video, sneak peek. But anyways, let's focus on this. My mind just goes wherever it goes. Wow, this is beautiful. This is wrapped up too. Let's get this open. So it comes in this great case. You can keep the necklace and the watch, or just the watch in here if you prefer. It opens like this. This is so pretty. It's so elegant. So let's look at the watch first. Oh, and there's even like this thing to hold it up well. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. So it does say Bolzano on it. I think there's a reflective like covering over this. Let me get that off. Well, it's not meant to be reflective because I have my ring light. But like a little plastic thing over this. Yeah, there we go. So it has like some gemstones around it. Sorry, I know it's hard to see because of my ring light, but hopefully you guys can get a good look at it right now. And this is what it looks like. Let's see what the clasp is like. So it has kind of like a lobster style clasp, if I'm saying that correctly. And on the back it says stainless case back, Japanese movement, water resistant, embellished with Swarovski crystals. Oh my gosh. We've gotten something from Swarovski before. Sometimes I have trouble saying Swarovski. That is so nice. I could tell they're good quality. Like, you know how you can tell, like, especially in person, I feel like it might be harder to come across on camera or on video, but you can tell like the quality of gemstones. This is gorgeous. And you can adjust the time and everything, so pretty, awesome. And let's move on to the jewelry piece that came with it. this necklace. I wonder if this is made with Swarovski too. Oh, it's a necklace and earrings. Oh my god, so here are the earrings. I feel like these crystals are so reflective. Aren't these pretty? And then here is the necklace, which is adjustable as well. And this is a lobster clasp. I said the clasp name wrong of the watch. I was just, you know, the necklace has a lobster clasp. I need to look into different clasp types, but yeah, this is so pretty. So you get 3 things. You get the necklace here that matches the earrings very well. And these also look like they're made out of the Swarovski gems or the crystals. And then this watch, this is so pretty. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below, what you think of it. Gorgeous. I feel like I'm like just in a tank and a headband and like so not elegant like for this, but I do dress up often, so this will be perfect. So this is so pretty. So I'm just gonna pull up on my phone the pricing information since I do not know that offhand. So they offer 2 different accessory / jewelry subscriptions. So the accessory monthly subscription is $18.95, and that's just like not including a watch. So what I received is the accessory monthly subscription luxe, and that is $43.95, and that's the one that includes the Swarovski crystals. So that's crazy. I think that's good value. Like, but if you don't want the luxe one, that's also very affordable at $18.95. So yeah, $43.95 for a watch with Swarovski crystals along with earrings and a necklace. So that's pretty good. They offer so many different subscription plans now. Like the luxe subscription, not the luxe accessory one, that comes with the purse and the accessories and all of that, and the purse companions, the beauty products. Or you can just get the purse with the accessories for like $33.95. There's so many different options. So I will leave their link below, like I said earlier. So if you want to check that out, and if you feel like subscribing to any of them, definitely take advantage of that code. It's not really a code, it's like you search for it on their website. It's KITTYGIFT, and you add it to your cart, but you won't be charged for anything for it. And they say it's $45 value, so definitely a great perk if you are interested in subscribing. I've gotten so many great purses from them. I really liked my one this month and everything I got. That was really great. So I will link my most recent video along with my Bolzano playlist for any of you that are interested. But yeah, I think this is so pretty. So you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. And do you guys get this? I know it's brand new. I know some of you guys have signed up for the Bolzano handbag one and you guys have been loving it, and that makes me so happy. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.